Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting phonics lesson. Today, we are going to learn about rhyming words with initial consonant clusters, vowel A. Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. They help us become better readers and spellers. Are you ready? Let's go. Dr, A, G, drag. Br, A, G, brag. Fl, A, G, flag. Pr, A, pram. Sw, A, swam. Cl, A, clam. Bl, A, k, black. Tr, A, k, track. Cr, A, k, crack. Tr, A, p, trap. Sn, A, p, snap. Sl, A, p, slap. L, A, p, clap. Cr, A, b, crab. Gr, A, b, grab. L, A, b, slab. St, A, b, stab. Gr, A, s, grass. L, A, s, class. G, A, s, glass. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.